Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to use MiniMax M3 cloud model using Ollama and VS Code connecting with the MCP server with the Unreal Engine 5.8. Okay, let's go. Okay, first and first, open Google. After that, click this download button to download Ollama. After downloading Ollama, you can install it, and finally you can get this icon right here and open Ollama. Okay, after installing Ollama, next thing I want to do is to go here to command prompt, open it, make it right here, and return here to Ollama. Go to models. I want to use for this tutorial, I want to use MiniMax M3, the final version. The last update is around 4 weeks ago. Click here to MiniMax. Okay, this MiniMax M3 allows you to use 512k tokens for free using Ollama. Okay, how to do that? We have to go copy this one, copy this command, and go paste in the command prompt and hit enter. Okay, as you can see, it's connected with the Ollama, the MiniMax Cloud M3. Let's test it, for example, hi. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Okay, now let's move. The next thing is to open the editor. Create new project, select third person as template, project name what you want, and hit create. Okay, now let's go here to edit plugins and let's enable MCP. Go here, search for MCP plugin, enable the first one and the second one. After that, search for editor preset. Enable editor preset. Finally, search for terminal. Enable terminal. Now, let's restart the editor by clicking this button, restart now. Okay, the editor is started. Now what I want to do is to enable the MCP server. How to do that? We have to go here to Editor Preferences, Model Context Protocol, Auto Start Server, enable this one. And return here to third person and add those commands right here. You can get it on the description. Okay, the first command, let's say this one. Model Context Protocol, config client, output log, paste, and hit enter. This first command, second one, start server, by copy this command, paste it, and as you can see, the server is started with this port, with all listeners started. Okay, fine. Now, let's connect Unreal Engine 5.8 with MiniMax M3. How to do that? First of all, I have to go here to VS Code. Go here, search for continue this extension, install extension, continue extension. After that, you can get this icon. After getting this icon, this is my previous job. Let's delete this. Okay. As you can see, it's automatically, but in your case, we have to go here to add my model, add chat model, provider, choose Ollama, model, make it autodidact, and hit connect. After that, you can get all modules right here. For me, it's MiniMax M3. Okay, make it like this. Now, close those. Now let's go here to File, Open Folder, and go to my Unreal Engine project number 2. As you can see, project number 2. go here, Unreal Engine project, select project number 2 and hit select a folder. Okay, this is my folder, project folder. Okay, now how to connect with the MCP server. At the first time MiniMax, it's not detected right here. Click any model as you want here and go here to other models and choose MiniMax. For this, choose agents. Okay, now let's connect to the MCP server with the VS Code. Press Ctrl Shift and P. Once you select it, you can get this one, or you can search for MCP. Maybe choose list servers. Okay, when you choose the list servers, we can get add server, array MCP, stop it, or this. Choose this one. Project number 2 / VS Code mcp.json file. As you can see, this one, what I want to do, this path. Let's do cancel another time, list server. Okay, it's stopped right here. Click here and start server, trust folder and continue, yes. Okay, the connection is running right now. The server works correctly. Okay, let's test it. Okay, select this one here. Once it's selected, it's appeared here. Wanna use this file, the Unreal Engine new project. Okay, for example, okay, I want to tell how many actors in my project. Let's say hit enter. Okay, start working right now. Okay, let's see the work in real time. Okay, go here. Agent, open this one and go here, the output go. Okay, look at this terminal here. Okay, 65 actors in your project. As you can see, it works fine. This is mine. It's 64 actors. 65, sorry, actors. Okay, guys, this first one works fine, but I tested to create simple forest scene, as you can see, with add material. It works fine, but as you can see, there is an error. The forest is not created because the limit is succeeded. Because this MiniMax is cloud model, not a local model. We have to upgrade Ollama to get more credits. Okay, you can check out with Stripe. 18 euros per month we have to pay to use it, this model for free. But it's a good model for when you are using with MCP server. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial.